React.js is a powerful tool for web developers. Think of it as a toolbox for building complex websites quickly. Developed by Facebook, it helps create dynamic user interfaces. Thanks to React.js, developers can build applications that react instantly to user actions without frustrating reloads. Building a website with React.js is like constructing a Lego castle. Each Lego piece snaps together easily, just like React components fit perfectly. Once you have your pieces, you can create intricate designs quickly and with fewer mistakes. React lets developers construct complex web applications piece by piece, just like a child's imagination with Lego. React.js is a JavaScript library specifically for creating user interfaces. It shines in building single-page applications where users can interact without refreshing the entire page. By managing state and rendering components efficiently, React gives developers the tools to deliver fast, responsive interfaces. Websites like Facebook and Instagram use React for their dynamic user experiences. One of the major benefits of using React.js is its speed and performance. React uses a feature called the virtual DOM. This works like a cheat sheet for updates. Instead of changing the whole web page, it only changes the parts that need updating. This makes applications faster and more efficient. Websites can load complex data without long delays. Another standout feature of React.js is component reusability. Developers can create small, self-contained components, like individual Lego pieces. Once built, these components can be used anywhere in the application without starting from scratch. This not only saves time but also ensures that the designs stay consistent throughout the site. The strong community surrounding React.js is another valuable asset. Developers can access countless resources, libraries, and components shared by others. This collaborative spirit helps newcomers learn quickly. It's like having a helpful neighborhood full of builders willing to share tips and tools. Companies like Netflix and Airbnb benefit from this community support. Some common mistakes when using React.js include ignoring component reusability and underestimating the power of the virtual DOM. Neglecting to create reusable components can lead to redundant code, making applications harder to maintain. Failing to leverage the virtual DOM means missing out on performance enhancements, slowing down web applications for users. React.js enhances web development in several key ways. First, it improves speed and performance through a virtual DOM. Second, it promotes reusability, saving time and ensuring consistency. Finally, a strong community provides essential resources and support. Together, these features lead to dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Explore React.js further to unlock its potential in web development. Dive into building interactive applications that engage users and enhance their experiences. Start constructing your digital Lego castle today.